Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your PowerPoint is ready and saved as a PPTX file. This avoids conversion issues later. Once done, open Google Classroom and pick the specific class, then go to the Classwork tab so you're in the right place. Make a clear decision now. Do you want students to edit, view, or submit work? Choosing material, assignment, or question determines permissions and grading options and saves time when you attach the file. Next, upload the PPTX to your Google Drive. Convert to Google Slides only if you want collaborative editing. Then in Classwork, tap Create and select Assignment, Material, or Question based on your earlier choice. Click Add, choose Google Drive, navigate to the folder, and select the PowerPoint file. Make sure it shows as attached. If you converted to slides, double-check formatting. Conversion may shift fonts or layout, so preview slides to confirm content appears as intended before moving on. Finally, set the attachment option. Assign students view only, allow editing, or make a copy for each student so submissions are individual. Then add a title, instructions, due date, topic, and points or rubric as needed. Click Assign or Post to publish to the class. If the upload or sharing fails, first check Drive file permissions and that the file isn't in a restricted shared folder. Also ensure your internet is stable and retry. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.